sip? Can you take a sip like a big boy with no top? Let's see. Oh, careful, careful. Don't spill it. Let's see you take a drink. Wow. What? What do you need? What do you say? Can you say please? Patrick, can you say please? Say more milk, please.
Finish your milk first. Drink the rest of it. Drink the rest of your milk.
More milk. Right, but how about you finish what you have? Where's Maeve? Can you call her? Call her. Call her again. Say, Patrick, say, where are you? Where are you? I think she's in the potty, bud. Yeah? Would you like more milk? You say please. Please. Please.
Go. Mommy. Go. Mommy. Dad,